Ever wonder how some people seem to do it all, effortlessly juggling multiple responsibilities and still managing to smile? A demanding job that requires long hours and constant problem-solving, regular workouts to stay healthy and energized, quality family time, nurturing relationships and creating lasting memories, learning new things, expanding their knowledge and skills, always staying ahead of the curve. And somehow they still manage to look relaxed and composed? Meanwhile, you're exhausted, drowning in to-dos, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks, and feeling like you accomplished nothing of real significance. Here's the truth. You have the same 24 hours as anyone else. Time is a universal constant. The difference? It's not time, it's how you use it. It's about the choices you make and the strategies you employ. Productive people aren't superhuman. They're just intentional about how they spend their time and energy. They treat time as their most valuable resource, understanding that it's finite and irreplaceable. The real secret isn't a fancy app or hack, it's awareness. A deep understanding of how you're currently spending your time. You need to get brutally honest about where your time actually goes, even if it's uncomfortable. Most of us underestimate how much time we lose to distractions like social media, emails, and unnecessary meetings. This isn't about guilt, it's about empowerment. It's about recognizing that you have the power to change your habits and reclaim your time. Imagine trying to budget money without knowing where you spend it. You'd be completely lost, wouldn't you? Impossible, right? You need to track your expenses to understand where your money is going. Your time is even more precious than money. You can't get it back once it's gone. Every moment is a valuable opportunity. Stop guessing about how you spend your time. Start knowing with concrete data and insights. Take control of your schedule and become the architect of your life, designing each day with intention and purpose. And it all starts with one simple, life-changing tool that will help you unlock your full potential. Let's dive in and discover how you can transform your relationship with time. That tool, the one that helps you understand where your precious time is going, is called a time audit. It's a process designed to bring awareness to your daily habits and routines. Don't let the word audit scare you. It might sound intimidating, but it's really just a method for self-discovery. Think of it as your personal GPS, guiding you towards a more productive and fulfilling life. Like a GPS, you need to know where you are currently spending your time. You need to pinpoint your starting point. Before you can get where you want to go, you have to define your destination and map out the route. A time audit means tracking your time in detail for a week. It's about creating a comprehensive record of your daily activities. Write down what you're doing as you do it, in real time to ensure accuracy. From waking up in the morning to going to bed at night, document every activity. Every meeting, every scroll through social media, every coffee break you take at the office. Track it all, no matter how insignificant it may seem. The goal isn't perfection or judgment, it's honesty and self-awareness. This gives you a clear, unbiased picture of how you spend your 168 hours each week. You can't change what you don't acknowledge, and you can't improve what you don't measure. Time audits reveal the gap, sometimes a chasm, between what you say you value, and how you actually spend your time, your most valuable and non-renewable resource. It's not about shame or guilt, it's about clarity and understanding your habits. You'll spot your time vampires, those activities that suck away your productivity, and see where change is possible, where you can reclaim those lost minutes and hours. This is the first crucial step to taking back your power over your schedule and your life. Ready to try a time audit? It's a powerful tool to understand where your precious hours are actually going. Many of us feel like we're constantly running out of time, but often we're not fully aware of how we're spending it. Here's how. We'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to conduct your own time audit and gain valuable insights. You don't need fancy tools, just a notebook or your phone. A simple notes app will also do the trick. The key is to have something readily available to jot down your activities throughout the day. For 1 week, track everything you do. This might seem daunting, but it's crucial for an accurate picture. Consider this week a fact-finding mission. Divide your page into columns: time, activity, and category. This structure will help you organize your data and make it easier to analyze later. Categories could be deep work, shallow work, family, health, chores, relaxation, or time wasters. These categories are just suggestions. Feel free to customize them to fit your life. Be honest, scrolling social media isn't relaxation if it leaves you drained. True relaxation should leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Log your activities in real time every 30-60 minutes. Setting a timer can be a helpful reminder to log your activities. For example, 8:30 a.m. scrolled news, time waster. It's important to be specific and accurate in your logging. 9:30 a.m. wrote proposal, deep work. This level of detail will provide a clearer picture of your time allocation. At the end of the week, add up your hours in each category. This is where you'll start to see patterns emerge. How much time went to deep work? Are you spending enough time on your most important tasks? To time wasters? This is often the most eye-opening part of the audit. The numbers won't lie. They'll show you the truth of your life right now. It's a snapshot of your current time management habits. This data isn't your enemy, it's your guide. It's a tool to help you make informed decisions about how you spend your time. It's the map from where you are to where you want to be. Use it to chart a course towards a more balanced and fulfilling life. Don't judge yourself, just observe. Approach this process with curiosity and a willingness to learn. The goal is awareness, not perfection. It's about understanding your habits so you can make conscious choices. This is how you start making real, lasting change. Small adjustments based on data can lead to significant improvements over time. Your time audit is your foundation. It's the first step towards taking control of your time and your life. Let's see what you discover. You might be surprised by what you learn about yourself and your habits. Now, analyze your data. Look for patterns and time leaks. Those small moments that add up to hours lost. Context switching is a big one. Checking email or notifications constantly destroys focus. The just 5 minutes trap, it's usually much longer. Your audit will reveal these habits. Notice the gap between your intentions and reality. Are you letting other people's priorities hijack your day? Pay attention to your energy. When are you most focused or drained? Align your most important work with your peak energy times. This is how you multiply your effectiveness. Knowledge is only powerful if you act on it. Use your audit to design your ideal week based on real data. Start with your big categories. Are you happy with your time on health, relationships, or deep work? Reclaim time from your time wasters. Use time blocking, schedule every task on your calendar, not just a to-do list. Put your most important work during your peak energy hours. Treat these blocks as non-negotiable appointments. Set boundaries, turn off notifications, communicate your schedule, protect your focus. Don't forget to schedule what rejuvenates you: workouts, family time, reading, even downtime. When you put these on your calendar, you show they matter. Your well-being and relationships are priorities. This is how you move from busy to fulfilled. Your calendar becomes your blueprint for a life you love. Start building it. This whole process is about closing the gap between who you are and who you want to be. A time audit gives you self-awareness, the foundation of all change. Now you have the data and the clarity. The excuses are gone. You'll feel less stressed, more present, and make real progress on your goals. Your calendar reflects your values. Show me your schedule and I'll show you what you care about. The beauty? You can choose differently. An honest time audit is the first step. I challenge you, track your time for 1 week. Give yourself the gift of truth. What you discover will change your life. Start now. Spend your time on what truly matters.